Carrie from Warrior to Warrior, investing her way. Today we're going to talk about what is Mayo and why you want to stick to the 70% rule. I'm going to go ahead and roll the credits and I'm going to be back to show you more. All right, girls, what is Mayo? This is not the condiment that you put on your sandwich, right? Okay, this is Mayo, M-A-O, and it stands for, whoops, let me get a darker marker so you can see it. Okay, it stands for maximum allowable offer. Okay, M-A-O. This is the cash offer that you are going to give to homeowners when you are giving them an offer. So this is a cash offer, okay? Cash offer. All right, what is the formula for maximum allowable offer? MAO equals ARV, that's after repair value. That's how much you can sell the house for once you've improved it. Once you've put in that gorgeous kitchen, or you've updated the bathrooms, or you've put the brand spanking new roof on, right? And we've forced the appreciation. So that's ARV, after repair value. Okay, so Mayo equals ARV times 0.7. Okay, this is our profit margin minus your repairs. Okay, so let's give an example of a house. And just for simplicity's sake, let's say the house is worth $100,000 ARV. So with this offer, Mayo is going to be $100,000, which is our ARV, and we're going to times that by 0.7, which ends up being $70,000. And let's say that this house it needs a new kitchen, needs a new bathroom, and let's say it needs a brand new roof. So let's put the repairs at $20,000. So we're going to take $70,000, right? ARV times 0.7, and in this case we did $100,000 times 0.7, got $70,000. Now we're going to minus our repairs. So we're taking $70,000 minus $20K, and we come up with $50,000. That is our offer to the homeowner. That is our cash offer. And we are not going to go higher than $50,000 because this is our maximum allowable offer. So sometimes I like to start a little bit lower than $50,000 just so there's a little bit wiggle room in case they want to negotiate. So in this case, I might start with a $45,000 cash offer so that we can maybe settle around $50,000 because that is the max I want to go when it comes to a cash offer. Now, you might hear some people say that they go 80%, 85%, 90% on this one right here, ARV times 0.7. I would highly suggest and encourage you, if you are new to investing, if you only have a couple of deals under your belt, that you stay at 70% and you don't push this to 0.8, 0.85, 0.9. And here's why. Because when you're new, you're still figuring out how to calculate ARV. So you might be overinflating your ARV or underinflating your ARV. This takes skill, it takes practice. But even more so, repairs. This comes from experience. I did not get good with repair estimates until like 5, 6, 7 deals in. And after 8 years of doing this, I now am really good with repair estimates. I can go into a house and in like 10 minutes know what my repair estimate is going to be, and I'm usually right exact with my repair budget. But when you're new, this takes practice, it takes skill, it takes experience. So for example, the very first house that I bought, we gave them our Mayo offer, our maximum allowable offer, and they accepted it. And I was so excited because I was like, we're gonna profit $65,000 on this flip, right? It was gonna be a very nice profitable flip when I estimated the numbers. But guess what? I put $40,000 as my repair budget. That's how much I thought the house was going to need to fix it up. But what I didn't consider was the square footage. It was a much bigger house than the other houses that I had looked at. It was a frame house. It had a lot of wood rot. The inside had to be gutted down almost to the studs in some places. It just had a lot going on. And so my repairs didn't end up being $40,000. They ended up being $75,000. And because I was new, my holding costs went up because I held on to this property a little bit longer than I had anticipated because I was new to renovating. So I was making all kinds of mistakes. I didn't have any systems in place. I didn't have a, power team in place with my contractors yet. I was just kind of winging everything, which you never want to do. So because my repairs went from $40,000 to $75,000, my profit went down. But here's the thing, I still made profit, even though I was way miscalculating the amount of repairs that were needed on this house. Because I stuck to the 70% rule with Mayo, I took ARV, I times it by 0.7, and I minus my repairs. Even though my repairs ended up being much higher than I anticipated, I still made $20,000 or $25,000 on that deal. And it's because I stayed conservative, because I was new, and I stayed at 70%. If I had pushed it to 80% or 85%, let's say, for example, someone else was bidding on the house against me and I wanted to push it because I really want this deal, what would have happened? I probably would have lost money on this house because I just wasn't experienced with ARV and with repairs. And if I had gone to 80, 85%, guess what would have happened to that $20,000 profit? It would have gone bye-bye, or I would have had a loss. So when you're new, you definitely want to stick to 70%. And as you get more experience, as you get more skilled at calculating ARV, and as you get more experience under your belt in regards to repair estimates, then you can start going 75%, 80%. But when you're new, I highly encourage you to stick to 70% rule. So let's summarize. Maximum allowable offer, MAO. This is Mayo. This is your cash offer that you're going to give to homeowners when you're giving offers. The formula for Mayo is very simple. MAO equals ARV, which stands for after repair value, times 0.7 minus your repairs. That is going to give you your maximum allowable offer. That is your cash offer, okay, that you are giving to the homeowner when the homeowner contacts you and wants you to give them a cash offer. Okay? Very simple. All right, you guys, that's it for today. If you or anyone you know has a house that they need to sell, please go to carriebuysHouses.com. All my contact information is there. And guess what, you guys? We joint venture with people all the time. So if you have a deal or you're just not quite certain about it, go ahead and send it on over. We'll take a look at it. Might joint venture with you on it. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you on the next video. And remember, you are only one deal away.